In a word, I should have set this man down as one of the safest of men to be employed in the capacity, but for the circumstance that while he was speaking to me, he twice broke off with a fallen color, turned his face towards the little bell when it did not ring, opened the door to the hut, and looked out towards the red light near the mouth of the tunnel. On both of those occasions, he came back to the fire with the inexplicable air upon him which I had earlier noticed. When I asked him what the matter was, he replied in a low voice, "I am troubled, sir. I am troubled." "With what? What is your trouble?" "It is very, very difficult to speak." Once again you hear, "It is very, very difficult to speak of." "Sir, if ever you make me another visit, I will try to tell you. I will come at 11 tomorrow." So, students, today up to here I have read, and the rest of the part next day I will read. So guys, on the basis of today's lesson, I'm sure that you have heard my reading carefully. So on the basis of my reading, I'm going to give you 5 words. You have to search the word from anywhere. You can search and note down the meaning of these 5 words. Some words already, those are given in the book, and one word, it is also given in the book, not from the glossary, but it is mentioned in the chapter. So first word, you please note down, notched, N-O-T-C-H-E-D, notched. Second word, precipitate, precipitate, P-R-I-C-I-P-I-T-A-T-E, P-R-I-C-I-P-I-T-A-T-E, precipitate. Third word is sallow, S-A-L-L-O-W, sallow. Fourth word is inexplicable, inexplicable, I-N-E-X, that is one word, I-N-E-X-P-L-I-C-A-B-L-E, inexplicable. And the fifth word is gloomy. That is not from the glossary, here itself from the chapter, gloomy. So students, definitely you have noted down in your notebook. So your notebook, it is kept open. So you note down 5 questions, short answer type questions from today's lesson, and you will write the answer of these questions. Who is the author of the story, The Signal Man? Who is the author of the story, The Signal Man? Question number 2. Who was addressing hello? Who was addressing hello? This hello, it is the Western accent. The spelling is capital H, you write H-A-L-L-O-A. Not hello, O-W. Capital H, H-A-L-L-O-A, exclamatory mark, hello, hello, below, B capital, below there, below there. Who was addressing hello, below there? And to whom? And to whom? Now question number 3. Give a brief description of the signalman. Give a brief description of the signalman's office. Once again. Give a brief description of the signalman's office or office room. Signalman's office or office room. Now question 4. It is a quote from the story. It is very, very difficult to speak of sir. Sir is capital. I repeat. It is very, very difficult to speak of sir, inverted comma, within inverted comma. Who is the speaker of the line? Who is the speaker of the line? In the same line, the second part, to whom the speaker is saying the line. To whom the speaker is saying the line.